Hey,
So,
this is Jassie's room. We're in Spain, Tenerife. We just got off the plane and we had a long trip, put it that way. Jassie got us a discount for $5, but it worked out that we were on the bus for about 10 hours.
Yep. Start with that.
Look at it, Jass.
Yep. Oh, yep. It's the room.
Wow, look outside. It looks nice.
Yep. Is this what it looks like online? Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Wow, look at the swimming pool. Wow, 2 swimming pools.
Wow. Oh,
and jacuzzi in the middle down there.
Jacuzzi in the middle. This is beautiful.
Wow.
I wonder what it's going to look like in the day.
I know. That's really nice.
Just want me to film you now.
Okay.
I've got to film you. So
right.
Jass.
As you can see, we've arrived in the hotel.
This is Jassie's room.
It was quite an adventure getting here. And we're finally here, which you can see, which is good stuff. But it took a long while. And when I say a long while, put it this way, we had the option of €5 5 or €27. So obviously, what were you going to take? €5 5. It took us like 10 hours to get here, like Canarias said, which was a joke. So maybe next time, cheaper options not always the best. So €27 might have to work on the way back.
Yeah. All right, come on, Jass. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is from my room. So this is Jassie's room. It's really, really chilled, nice, clean.
Little fridge.
Wardrobe. He's got a TV, fridge.
Go.
Wow, nice little fridge there. All right, so now let's go and see. Oh, let's see your bathroom. It's nice. You've got a nice shower.
Okay.
Looks good, Jass. Blow dryer, even though you've got no hair.
Oh. Yeah, make it work.
All right, so let's chop and change and let's leave. Let's go to my room. Let's see what my room's saying.
Okay.
Do you want to pause it?
Yeah. This expression means a lot.
So
yeah.
let's see my room.
And I mean, a face expression says a lot. I should have caught the first instance of the shock. It's gone from one room, we're going to another room.
And the guy at the till, the cashier, well, the person that introduced us to the hotel, said that we're going to be shocked. What's it called?
Concierge.
The concierge said we're going to be shocked by my room, Candace's room, compared to Jassie's room.
All right.
Let's walk in.
Should we turn the light off and do the introduction properly?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this properly. Let's do as if we just walked into the room for the first time.
Because we just walked into the room for the first time. Let's do this. So we're putting it in here.
Putting the key in, as you can see.
Key.
Key, lock. Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh.
I've been robbed.
Mum! You should be here, Mum!
This is not funny.
I thought the TV's already working. Oh.
No.
Shoot, Jassy,
Wait.
really chill here.
Wait.
Shoot.
Nah.
So this was a place for Mum and Dad's.
Oh my gosh. This is some serious business.
Oh my god.
This is like a house. Look at this.
Shoot.
No. Let's tell me they saw the first room.
How is this not a 5-star? This is 5-star.
What's it?
Oh
my days. No.
Shoot.
This is on proper things.
No, Jack's moving here, man. Let's give up that room. I don't want to live here on my own.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you got to move next door. I can't live here on my own. This is too big.
This is a joke.
This is too big. Ah!
This is like paradise.
Look at the bathroom.
What's this? Look, it's got some kind of heat thing.
Look at
What's
the
this?
bathroom, Jazz. Shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my days.
No. This is some balling. Hey, look at this.
Nah, you can't go back to that.
What? No way.
Yes, you can't go back to that, man. No. So take this room.
Like, you've seen it. You've seen the room. You've seen this.
Room. This is my room then. Take this room, Jazz.
Alright.
Take this room. Go and get your stuff.
Oh my gosh. This is madness.
You can't stay in that other place. That's like going from shingles to...
That's like rags to riches.
Rags to riches.
Rags to riches. Literally. Got these things. Oh my gosh. Nah, this is proper.
Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
Never yet have I been in a hotel room this size. This size. Look at it. Watch me.
And there's towels as well.
Look at it. Look how big that is. Nah. Alright, That's it. Signing out. 3 minutes. You had 3 minutes of that. And
There's
it's
towels, Jazz.
proper
Use these towels.
Oh my days. Wait, let me pause. Let me save some battery. Because the room's so big I had to save some battery.
Turn it off now, Jazz.
After a long hot day, yeah, you saw the food. I had to do that. I had to do that because I was that hungry. Yeah. Anyway, it's a salad, your chips, and the free drinks. Brandy, double brandy and coke, and my green tea. Yeah, like I said, the green tea helps to digest. Candice's got her vegetable lasagna. She's got her
Orange juice, liquor, and tea because it's free.
tea, because it's free. And look at the room. Talk about a baller room, man. Wow, this is like top of the range, man.
Top of the range.
I can't believe this room. I really can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Can't believe it. Anyway, signing out.